What's going on, guys? So today we got a little subscriber showcase. My man Kyle here and his 21 Gsx-S 750. As you can tell, it looks a little bit different than mine. He's got the hand guards here, more like adds more of a dirt bike aspect to it. We got M4 slip-on. You see his Instagram there. Little short lever. This bike's real nice looking. He's got the sequential Yoshis too, and the integrated tail. Sounds so much different than mine. Ooh, this does feel different. Wow. He did say it is a little different to ride, and it does feel different because your arms are out a little bit wider. It's crazy riding a bike that's more tame, you know, as sound aspect, because I'm not used to it because I haven't rode one in such a long time, but it's actually nice being quiet. Oh, I hate saying it. Oh man, I love this lever so much. If you guys are in the market for one of these, I think he said it's advertised as a 3-finger lever, but I really like it. This thing is so crazy. Oh man. So shout out to Kyle here. He let me ride his bike. Doing my first ever subscriber showcase. Oh, the quietness. Oh, it's so nice. I can hear myself think. I can talk to you guys. So I can pretty much say I have never seen someone go this route as he did. He's got an upgraded brake reservoir, master cylinder, dirt bike guards. Like, I thought seeing this and seeing him do it, I was like, but seeing this now, it's like it sparks some ideas in my head. Like, I really enjoy it, and now even riding it, it feels so good. It's nice not having the wind hit you in the hands. You wouldn't think something that little, but it's pretty nice. Which actually, funny enough, this bike is for sale. If you guys are in the market for one, this one is for sale. Which I'll put his Instagram up on the screen if you guys have any questions about, you know, the mods that he's done, or if you're even interested in looking at it. I will put all that down in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the short review of my man Kyle's beautiful Gsx-S. But if you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.